Welcome! Today, we're tackling high blood pressure, the silent killer that affects millions. The good news? You have more control over it than you think. At Healthy Facts 101, we're here to give you simple, science-backed tips to protect your heart and body. Today, we'll reveal 7 foods that can make a real difference in your blood pressure. If you're ready to take charge of your health, hit subscribe and join our community. Let's dive in and start building a healthier you. First up, leafy greens, spinach, kale, Swiss chard, and more. These vibrant greens are not just a feast for the eyes, but a powerhouse of nutrients that can transform your health. These greens are loaded with potassium, which helps your kidneys flush out excess sodium and lower blood pressure. Potassium is essential for maintaining fluid balance in your body, and it plays a crucial role in muscle contractions and nerve signals. They're also rich in nitrates, which your body converts to nitric oxide, a compound that relaxes and widens blood vessels. This process, known as vasodilation, improves blood flow and reduces the strain on your heart, making it easier for your cardiovascular system to function efficiently. Add a handful of spinach to your smoothie, toss kale into salads, or saute Swiss chard for dinner. These simple additions can make your meals not only more nutritious, but also more flavorful and satisfying. Aim for at least 1 to 2 servings daily. Think of it as a daily investment in your health. Consuming leafy greens regularly can help you meet your daily nutritional needs and support overall well-being. Consistency is key. The more often you eat them, the greater the benefits. Incorporate them into your meals in creative ways to keep your diet interesting and enjoyable. Leafy greens also support bone and eye health, making them a true superfood. They are rich in vitamins A, C, and K, as well as calcium and other essential minerals that contribute to strong bones and good vision. Remember, no single food is a magic bullet. Combine greens with a diet low in processed foods and sodium. A balanced diet that includes a variety of nutrient-dense foods is the best way to achieve optimal health. Try new recipes: kale chips, collard wraps, or a simple spinach salad. Experimenting with different ways to prepare and enjoy leafy greens can make healthy eating more fun and sustainable. Make leafy greens a staple in your kitchen. Keeping them readily available ensures that you can easily add them to any meal, boosting its nutritional value. Every serving helps protect your heart and keep your blood pressure in check. The antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties of leafy greens contribute to cardiovascular health. Go green and feel the difference. The energy and vitality you gain from incorporating more leafy greens into your diet can be truly transformative. Your heart will thank you. By making leafy greens a regular part of your diet, you're taking a significant step towards a healthier, happier life. Next, let's talk berries. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries. Their vibrant colors come from anthocyanins, antioxidants that protect your arteries and reduce inflammation. Anthocyanins also boost nitric oxide, helping blood vessels relax and lower blood pressure. Studies show people who eat more berries have a lower risk of developing high blood pressure. Add berries to oatmeal, yogurt, salads, or enjoy them as a snack. Frozen berries are just as nutritious as fresh, perfect year-round. Choose unsweetened varieties to avoid added sugars. Aim for a cup of mixed berries several times a week. It's a delicious way to support your heart and keep your blood pressure healthy. Sweet, simple, and powerful. Make berries your go-to treat. Beets are a vibrant root vegetable, instantly recognizable by their deep red color and leafy green tops. For centuries, they've been celebrated not just for their earthy flavor, but also for their impressive health benefits. From ancient civilizations to modern kitchens, beets have earned a reputation as a nutritional powerhouse. One of the most remarkable effects of beets is their ability to help lower blood pressure, a benefit that's been proven in numerous scientific studies. Doctors and nutritionists alike recommend beets as a natural way to support cardiovascular health. What makes beets so special? They're packed with dietary nitrates, which are naturally occurring compounds found in the root and leaves. When you eat beets, your body converts these nitrates into nitric oxide, a molecule that plays a crucial role in relaxing and widening your blood vessels. This process helps your blood flow more freely, reducing the pressure on your arteries and making it easier for your heart to do its job. In fact, studies show that even a single glass of beet juice can have a noticeable effect, lowering blood pressure within just a few hours of drinking it. The effect is not only quick, but also significant. Beets are also a great source of potassium, a mineral that helps balance sodium in your body and further supports healthy blood pressure. This double benefit makes beets a true heart-healthy food. If you're not a fan of the earthy taste of beets, don't worry. There are plenty of ways to enjoy them. Roasting brings out their natural sweetness, while grating raw beets into salads adds a fresh, crunchy texture. You can also blend beet juice with apples or carrots to create a delicious, nutrient-packed smoothie that's both sweet and satisfying. Even a small glass of beet juice each day can make a difference in your overall health. Or, if you prefer, a serving of roasted beets with your meal is a simple and tasty way to get the benefits. Try adding beets to your weekly routine a few times a week. Experiment with different preparations, roasted, juiced, or raw in salads, until you find the one you love most. You might be surprised at how versatile and delicious beets can be, especially when paired with your favorite flavors. Whether you enjoy them whole, roasted, or juiced, beets offer a variety of options to suit any taste or meal. With their unique combination of nutrients, beets are truly a powerful tool for supporting your heart and overall well-being. Give beets a chance in your kitchen and enjoy the many benefits they have to offer, from better blood pressure to more energy and vibrant health. Remember, food really can be medicine, and beets are a perfect example of how simple choices can make a big difference. Add some color to your plate with beets, and you'll be nourishing your body in more ways than one. Embrace the power of beets and support your blood pressure naturally, one delicious bite at a time. Oats are a breakfast staple with big benefits for your heart. They're rich in beta-glucan, a soluble fiber that helps lower cholesterol and may reduce blood pressure. Beta-glucan forms a gel in your gut, supporting healthy cholesterol and gut bacteria, both linked to better blood pressure. Studies show that eating oats regularly can lower both systolic and diastolic blood pressure, especially in those with hypertension. Choose steel-cut or rolled oats over instant varieties to avoid extra sugar and sodium. Top your oatmeal with berries for a double heart-healthy boost. Oats aren't just for breakfast. Add them to smoothies, baking, or use oat flour in recipes. Simple, affordable, and versatile oats are a smart choice for long-term heart health. Make them a regular part of your routine. Your heart will thank you every morning. Bananas are famous for their potassium, a mineral that helps balance sodium and lower blood pressure. Most diets are high in sodium, which raises blood pressure, but potassium helps your body flush out the excess. A medium banana gives you about 10% of your daily potassium needs. Diets rich in potassium are linked to lower blood pressure and reduced stroke risk. Enjoy bananas on cereal, in smoothies, or as a natural sweetener in baking. Don't rely on bananas alone. Other potassium-rich foods include sweet potatoes, avocados, beans, and tomatoes. Mix and match for the best results. Potassium is your natural defense against hypertension. Make bananas and their potassium-packed friends a regular part of your diet. It's a simple step with big benefits. Keep your arteries happy and your blood pressure in check. Fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, sardines, and tuna are nutritional powerhouses, packed with omega-3 fatty acids, essential nutrients that your body can't make on its own. These healthy fats are especially important for heart health, and research shows that people who eat more fatty fish tend to have lower rates of heart disease and stroke. Omega-3s work in several ways. They help reduce inflammation throughout the body, protect the delicate lining of your artery walls, and keep blood vessels relaxed and open so blood can flow freely. This means less strain on your heart and a lower risk of dangerous blockages. These healthy fats also lower the levels of compounds that cause blood vessels to constrict, which helps reduce blood pressure naturally. Over time, this can make a big difference in your overall cardiovascular health. For the best results, aim for at least 2 servings of fatty fish per week, about 3.5 ounces per serving. This simple habit can help you meet your omega-3 needs and support a healthy heart. There are so many delicious ways to enjoy fatty fish. Try grilled salmon with fresh herbs, toss canned sardines onto salads or whole grain toast, or whip up a quick tuna salad for lunch. These meals are not only easy to prepare, but also packed with flavor and nutrition. To get the most benefits and minimize mercury exposure, rotate your fish choices. Mix up salmon, mackerel, sardines, and tuna throughout the month, and choose wild-caught or sustainably sourced options when possible. If you don't eat fish or follow a vegetarian diet, consider a high-quality fish oil or algae-based omega-3 supplement after consulting your doctor. Supplements can help fill the gap, but whole foods are always best when possible. Fatty fish are also a great source of vitamin D, high-quality protein, and other important nutrients like selenium and B vitamins, all of which support your overall health. Make fatty fish a regular part of your weekly menu for a healthier heart, lower blood pressure, and meals that are both satisfying and delicious. Your taste buds and your body will thank you. Dive into the many benefits of omega-3s and discover how simple changes to your diet can have a big impact on your heart health. With every bite, you're nourishing your arteries and supporting a stronger, healthier you. Garlic isn't just for flavor. It's a natural blood pressure reducer. Its active compound, allicin, is released when garlic is crushed or chopped. Allicin boosts nitric oxide, relaxing blood vessels and lowering blood pressure. Garlic may also act as a mild natural ACE inhibitor, similar to some blood pressure medications. Studies show garlic supplements can lower blood pressure, but fresh garlic in your meals is even better. Add minced garlic to stir-fries, soups, sauces, or roast whole heads for a sweet, spreadable treat. Let chopped garlic sit for a few minutes before cooking to maximize allicin. Make garlic a daily habit for both flavor and heart health. Small changes, big impact. Let food be your medicine. Garlic is proof. There you have it. 7 delicious foods to help you control your blood pressure. Consistency is key. Every healthy choice adds up. Remember, this video is for information only. Always consult your doctor before making major changes. Share this video to help others on their health journey. Thanks for watching and being part of Healthy Facts 101. Stay healthy and see you next time.